And yeah, it's just been an endless cycle of diet, depression, and failure and start over. And so I want to try something today. I found this recipe. People say it's really, really good. It is the black bean brownies. So today I want to talk about healthy eating and weight loss. So recently I have been struggling with the diet plan that my doctor has been putting me on. I was recently diagnosed with a pretty severe heart condition, and weight loss and eliminating a lot of things out of my diet has been very difficult. I've also cut out all soda and all sweet drinks. The only thing I've been drinking for the last 2 months is water with 0 sugar flavor packs that you can buy anywhere. So, I've been doing really, really good with those things. I still struggle with meals at dinner and sweets. Sweets being the big one. Because what happens when confronted with a sweet being available is if I can't have it, I actually get very, very depressed, like visibly, and very emotional about it. It's just not something that makes me feel good either way. But there has to be some sort of thing that I can do that's healthier to substitute some sweets so that I get that emotional satisfaction that I need to stay healthy. So here goes nothing. Wish me luck. So, Christoph, I just gave you a brownie. Try it and let me know what you think.
It's brownie, of course I'm gonna love it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nice texture. Pleasant bouquet.
Really?
Yeah, this is good.
Awesome. So, should I tell you what it's made of?
Do I want to know?
Probably not.
Alright, what do we got?
It's made with
black beans
and oatmeal and honey. No flour, no eggs, no sugar.
But I don't like black beans.
I know.
But
It's a win.
it is a win.
Thanks.
It's really good.
Thanks for joining me today on this episode. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like what you saw. Give a comment down below if there's other recipes you'd like to see me make. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. See you again next time. Bye.